everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to tell you about an awesome place, and I'm sure this is everyone's favorite snack. I'm talking about chocolates, and today we're going to visit a chocolate factory. This chocolate factory has recently opened in Hyderabad and it soon became the talk of the town. This is known as Manam Chocolate Factory, World of Chocolate. Manam means we or us. So basically, it means our chocolate factory. We can't buy happiness, but we can buy chocolate. Interesting thought though. I have been to a few other chocolate factories too, in Kerala, Ooty, Tamil Nadu, etc. But this one is completely different. It has a completely different ambience and setup. Okay, so let's take a quick tour of the chocolate factory. As soon as we went in, there were a variety of chocolate items everywhere. They were so tempting and mouth-watering. Yummy. I love chocolate a lot. And there isn't a single day where we don't say kuch meetha ho jaye. I'm sure you also have been chocolate lovers at some stage of your life. So I started looking for the kind of chocolate which I liked the most. Interestingly, there were names of items which I couldn't even pronounce. Isn't it funny? For example, I can spell pecan caramel or mono portions or raspberry and roll, but it was hard for me to pronounce penny something something and veryness, tiramisu, and many others. I'm sure these might be as delicious and as interesting their name suggests. I did see live roasting of cacao beans. Many people call it cocoa, but it's cacao beans. Here, you get both veg and non-veg chocolate. I think egg-based. I forgot to ask about it because I was astonished with the varieties of chocolates. I luckily tasted a few varieties of these chocolates and they were amazing. The staff was very friendly and they didn't hesitate to tell me about how the chocolates are made. I'm not going to tell you this whole process, and I would suggest that you take your time and plan to visit this at least once. I'm sure you'll love it. I want to tell you that I tried 100% pure chocolate with no milk or sugar or caramel or any other ingredients. It was bitter. Really. Extremely bitter. I felt as if my mom fed me bitter gourd. You can see it on my face though. Okay, finally, our tour was over. Let me tell you one thing. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity to visit such a vibrant place, which has amiable staff and a huge variety of chocolates. And this whole tour is completely free of cost, from valet to parking to the factory visit. They also have a cafe and seating area downstairs. You can go there by buying any item as small as a single piece of chocolate. And there you would find a huge chocolate fountain. But this isn't shown in my video though, just to let your imagination fly high. So plan and enjoy your day here. Stay tuned for more interesting information. Bye.